start to the market day. Um,
Order filled.
I think it's going to go down here. It was really testing lower levels and looking at the graph here. This area, this region. Oh my god. There was a lot of back and forth. This was a huge gap that it just shot up. So even though in the long term it's probably going up, as we have like the trend lines going that way, there's a little bit of a reversal here. So I'm anticipating a quick drop, at least for now, just a little bit of a whoosh, and then back up. It's nothing huge, but I think it's going to test this lower level a little bit more. So I'm just holding it right now. Oh my gosh. I still think it's gonna go down.
Stop filled.
Damn. Actually, I can see from that it's clearly going up.
Order filled.
Apologies for that cough into the mic though. Do I want to close this trade right now? I think for a couple minutes it's going to actually hold it right around here, and then it may have a solid dip shortly. I mean, it's already solid dip. If this goes to 20 points, I'll just close and then I do think it's going to go to 20 points-ish. Oh my gosh. Should I have put the stop loss at like the 18 points? Probably. But I'm still confident right now that it's going to go down. So we're going to see what happens here. I'll at least make sure we get a little profit here. But I would like to see, like, oh my gosh, dude. No way. Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for, like, it's holding here. Do anticipate this to still dip, retest this level a little bit more before it heads back up. It may even go down further. Just because of this reversal here, I'm looking at this and seeing there may be a little bit of a dip going on. Oh my gosh. Please, dude. I just could have made money. Should have canceled this earlier. Not canceled, but like closed position. And just rebought. Oh man, any second now. Any second now. This candle is doji. I'm pretty sure this most recent one on the 50. From my understanding. I'm trying to use that term right now. Alright, wait for the minute to roll over and then we're going to see what happens. I'm going to put it here. But I do think once that next candle starts, it's about to just fall. So we're going to see. Waiting for the 10 o'clock rollover.
Stop filled.
Okay. Well, it just hit. Should I have bought again? I think I'm going to go back up. I think if it didn't end up bombing there. The purple is, we're gonna see. This one, I'm trying to think about whether or not it's gonna go up, and I still kind of feel like it's gonna go down a little bit to retest some of these areas. Like I said earlier, this jump was massive. That maybe left a decent gap there for people to actually try to take advantage of. It never went like fully back down yet to like regather support. So I kind of still feel like it's going to go that way, but we're going to see. my gosh, I just messed up this scaling, dude. What's going on here? Please. I'm gonna go for a, what is it, short position soon, I think. I'm gonna see what like the next bar does in the, actually I'm gonna go to 30-second. Yeah, very soon. Let's do it like right now, actually.
Order filled.
I'm gonna watch it instantly shoot up and instantly exit my position. This is 5 right here where my mouse is, so I'm gonna just drop it there once it goes. I'm gonna try to start doing some like more rapid trades. If I'm gonna figure out an automated trading strategy, it's definitely gonna be one that's more active than I would normally be. Which is why I've been trying to trade on the 30-second graph a lot. Even though that time frame is even probably too big. Dude, I should have just dropped it at the 5. Oh my gosh. It's gonna hit my stop.
Stop filled.
Sweet, alright. Can't call it a comeback if we didn't start from behind. So, that's the whole plan now. It'll be even more of a grand story when we... The trick is to double down every time you lose a trade as well. I don't know if people know this, but if you risk something and lose it, double or nothing. Always works as long as you have infinite money. I don't have that here, but we're gonna work with it anyways. I need to look at some different time scales here. Yeah, I still think it's gonna dip a decent bit. Gonna try another sell in 1 minute. I don't know why my Windows clock doesn't show me the seconds anymore. I'm gonna fix that hopefully, but
Order filled.
alright. going to watch this. My goal is to be, I think, closing out of this by like 10:15, when the next 15-minute bar is going to start, but we're going to see. That's a pretty long period of time. I'm hoping it goes down sooner. I may just also throw more money into the pile here and then have an even bigger comeback to overcome. I really need to just start accepting like the fives and stuff. Definitely straying from my strategy quite a bit here, in the sense that I like am mostly relying on me watching real time here and not sticking to certain percentage rules for my buy and stop, or my limit and stop limit or stop loss orders. Oh, what's going on here? I really didn't think, well, it's getting close, but I didn't think it was going to hit the peak of this red candle here. Kind of thought it was going to maybe play around in that little range and then go back down a little bit. Still might be the case. We're going to see. It is going down again. All right. It's just sitting right around it, waiting for it to move. It's getting closer to the 15-minute mark. I still am thinking about that being like the case. We'll see though. A couple more minutes. This is a slow game here. Oh my gosh, it's going back up. They're pushing at the final couple minutes of this quarter hour. And it's pushing up hard. How? Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna just accept this loss here. 150, whatever it is. It's about to, yeah, it's about to hit it. Oh, I really was thinking there would be a drop going in, but like I don't know if I can like let go without messing up, so I gotta hold this. But I didn't think this candle on the 15-minute, this latest one, was going to pass the
Stop
one before
filled.
the candle that just happened. Okay. Whoa, and just like that, we basically lost what we made yesterday. I still think that this region was kind of one I was going to play in, but I guess they disagree. They disagree. I gotta get some more of those indicators on here that I gotta figure out which ones I actually really like. I have some EMAs and SMAs on right now, but I think I gotta get me some volume profiles or something like that. Whatever they're called, the market profiles. Shows the actual volumes of the trades at the different times and price points. Well, at the different price points in a time range, I mean. But, yeah. I guess that maybe was the dip. Alright, that was a solid chunk there, so we gotta try to recover that somehow. We'll see. Maybe we'll do short-term climb back. Alright, fine. I don't think I can do more than, I don't know how many I can do. But, alright, I can't lose too much more, so I'm gonna have to play it safe. I'm gonna just hit buy soon. If these go, I think this might dip back real quick before it goes back up. I mean, it basically is right there. Alright, whatever.
Order filled.
We're doing a bunch of small trades now. Gonna get it back. Room for like 4 or 5. If it's more, we're happy. I should have hit close when it was like 3.5. Literally going against what I said by not just closing right away. That's why I needed it automated. It would make these decisions for me. like I want to just move this bar up. I should have just closed it. Too busy holding this line. Oh my god. What am I doing? Putting it there. This may climb up here. If not, we're just going to take what we already got here. If it goes more, I'm going to just bump the stop
Stop
up.
filled.
Yeah. Alright. We're getting back in it. We're not back in it yet, but we're getting back in it. So I definitely need to do some more looking at MNQ. Like, it's what I've been streaming, but it's not what I'm watching. I'm trying to just like be able to look at these charts with the indicators and tell, but definitely need some more of that mental back testing to say it in a way. I don't know. Yeah, it's going up still even more. All right. Let's see. Yeah, like what a crazy dip. That dip was so fast to pop back up at this level when like it literally shot up to that level and it's been pushing at that level, dipping back down, pushing back up. But this definitely looks like a bit more of a continuous rise here that maybe indicates that some good support was being built. Yeah, I don't think it's actually, I don't know, I think it's maybe gonna chill around here, but then like down here. But then it will probably go back up. It's gonna be one of those that just flies up, isn't it? No way, dude. This market. My sim account is in the green. Oh.
Order filled.
Alright. Let's see if we can... See, I picked this because this few candles in a row, this one is like solidly pushing. And we're near the top of it. Like it might push up more. That's gonna be a huge candle. But I was kind of betting on it pulling back a little bit. Just being able to quickly flip something. Yeah, like that. Alright, so just fill 10.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Alright, and then now it's going. I need this zoomed in more. My 5 minute graph. Oh my god. Hmm. Um, I'm anticipating it taking a little bit tiny of a dip in the next like 30 seconds. Maybe not that big of a dip, and then going back up a little. So I'm gonna try to buy it real quick when it dips. Damn, my sim account's looking good. I realize now, I mean, I don't know if people have been chatting, but I don't know where my chat window is. I don't see chat on stream. Like I do, but I don't have my normal window that pops up that I actually like watch. Um, I kind of tried to use the in-browser one and assumed it was gonna work. Oh boy, I didn't hit the buy. Hey, it is. What up? Thanks. Yeah, I don't have the window I was trying to like normally use. My sim account's going up. I think those long positions got hit from our friend yesterday. I kind of want to see what happens when the minute rolls over. This feels like one that could drop a lot, even though it's about to buy.
Order filled.
The minute hits, is it going to just climb? I thought it might, but it might also fall a bit. I just want to quickly grab it when it falls and then rebuy for it to go up. We're trying to take 2 on this one candle. It'll be a real power play if we can. Well, that candle didn't move anywhere. Brove.
Stop filled.
Oh, yeah, we're doing it. When I think of days like this, I think of Jay, my trader friend, just coming downstairs after a day of losing, be like, healthy loss, as if he wasn't upset that he just lost a ton. That's funny, but it's also fun. This is definitely very much a game that has strategy to it. I think sometimes you do have to lose. Gosh. I'm having trouble reading it today. I feel like I'm not looking at the time scales right.
Order filled.
I keep getting, it's like my trades are just short circuiting because I'm hitting the stop too low or whatever it's called. I keep moving it preemptively and it'll like bump up to that range and hit it real quick. I literally wrote my post like yesterday. I need to learn patience, and that was like the thing that messed up my trades. I was trying to do it without just sitting and waiting. I think for that I need to start actually figuring out my points for limit and stop. I don't think I've ever actually hit this close button here. And I don't know what rev means. Just thinking about that. I might try to use that close button more for now. Is it really gonna hit? Dude. Like, look at that. If it passes that, I don't know, man. Dude, I feel like every day for the past week, I mean, there's been some occasional large moves, but it just sits back and forth in a range for so long. Like, look at that. It's like $20, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'm used to Bitcoin or something. But I've been waiting for like a drop all day. Like, honestly, it keeps going up, and I feel like the overall trend is up, but it, dude, like there was one, but that's not today. Like, look at that. Like, this is the day right now, right? Like, it's all right here. Yeah, it just started. But that candle really looks like it's gonna go down. If it goes up, they're not even like connected here. It's open and close. There's like just that gap there, which would be crazy, which would mean it would probably go up really high if it were, but no, it really feels like, oh no, my line. Dude, how did these happen? I guess actually, because there's a whole night where people aren't trading. Oh my gosh. The market's so fake, dude. It's so fake. You can tell. Because they have to put rules around it. Dude, like, what is this? Are we about to have, like, a skyrocketing day? Why? Why? Like, these are just going up, up, up.
Stop filled.
Dude, I'm really misreading, like, every single one of these. Today is, like, the opposite day of normal for the past 2 days. What am I missing? Alright, we're gonna try again and maybe lose a good bit more today. But we can always try again tomorrow, right? But we're closing in on the 11 o'clock mark, so I want to do this before the action starts going away. Damn, I keep doing the buy low, sell high strat. Or no, buy high, sell low. That's what I keep doing. The inverse. This is partly that drop, I think, that I was thinking about. Not really. This is a small one. Oh no, I wanted to hit it when it was at the red down there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I didn't do it.
Order filled.
This is going up still. I don't seem happy. No, I'm tired, dude. That's all it really is. I know my coffee this morning. I didn't go downstairs and get any. Yeah, my sim account finally, my normal account is ground rocketing. I keep misreading certain things. Smile a little. Dude, I would. But this is so frustrating. No, it's not really frustrating. No, I'm telling you, it's really, it's being tired, I think. I was up late. Definitely. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's a solid little dip. I don't know if it will go back that far again. Kind of wanted to.
Stop filled.
Yeah. It's chopping constantly, dude. Like, I don't get it, man. How do people care this much about this stock where they want to buy and sell at the same price for so long? Like, what? Find something better. Trend. Yeah, that's true. Okay. That's what I thought. I definitely think the overall trend is still, yeah, going up, but yo, did your Mr. Burp, did your point got hit, right? Your long position you were talking about yesterday? It was in like the 590s, 23 590s or something like that. I forget exactly what you said, but all right. Hopefully you still got something good out of it. But yeah, I was remembering, I was watching for that. That's good though. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh man. Oh wow. Look how thick that candle is, man. Insane. Okay, I just made that way too big. Let's scale it back. I want to buy.
Order filled.
It might drop more. Yeah, it's been like that. Like I feel like I keep thinking, oh, the trend, or oh, the trend's getting reversed, but it's really just like chopping constantly. Like the range might be a little wider, but it's just going back and forth, bouncing between them.
Stop filled.
All right, now we sell. If I buy immediately after, I have to sell, right? Isn't that how it works? Buy, sell,
Order
buy,
filled.
sell. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. Oh my god. No, I thought it was gonna just chop. I want to just chop again. Oh boy. If I can get out with like plus one or two, I'm happy. Yeah, that's true. The 30's gonna be bouncing back up a lot. Chop A. Chop chop.
Stop filled.
Oh. Dude, I'm so good at losing money. Hmm. I should have seen that coming. Look at that. So clear. It's going back up a little bit. Do you guys know what rev means? I actually don't know what this means. I was thinking about this earlier. Oh, shoot. Dang, that sucks. There's a few big moves and then chilling, but reverse, I think. What does reverse mean?
Order filled.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, I see. Oh my god. I just keep losing. Oh, okay. That's cool. I actually might start using that. I feel like every time I make a move, it's like I should be doing the opposite. So maybe I'll just double click that every time. Or something. Oh. Oh my god. This should be able to go down, right? I should have taken the 3. I should have taken the $6 profit. Yeah, dude, I gotta get some coffee. I think that's what's going on. My reaction time's not as good. My aim isn't as good. Misclicking. My communication with my teammates is not as good today. Overall, the enemy team is just doing way better. And by that, I mean the market. Oh, I'm feeding right now, just giving them my money, and they're doing more and more with it. Oh.
Stop
Okay.
filled.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it there today. Like in terms of trades, I'm gonna keep watching for the next like 10 minutes, but I'm almost at like down 500, and I think there's something I'm missing that I gotta catch up on. I definitely gotta stretch my back. Oh. But yeah. I think my chart time is just too long. I need to start going down to the 500 tick chart. Or maybe the 1 second chart. Okay, this is my trading right here. Just based off the color of the previous one, you vote for the color of the next one. And you sell instantly. Every second. That would lose me a lot of money. I actually like this though. Having this next to the 30-second might help. At least to see like the volume being traded, maybe. Again, I need to add like a volume profile. Let's see. Actually, I want to add it to this one if I can. There's a fair value gap thing. I see that. Fair value gap. Alright. What's this do? Whoa, look at those gaps. Oh my gosh. Alright, but does this line up with any of my trades? Maybe this will be what I use. Yeah, I don't know. Just went in, started scrolling. I was looking for volume, and I saw value. It's like thinking maybe also value area in like a volume profile. But then it said fair value. Oh. How is it figuring these out? That's what I need to figure out so that I can figure it out programmatically. Actually, they probably have the code for this. Mr. Burp, I don't know how much you use, I mean, you said you do automated training and whatnot. I don't know how much you use NinjaTrader, though. But, like, those indicators and stuff, they do have the ability for users to make their own. Let's see if I can open up an editor here. I was messing around with this for a little bit. You are on NinjaTrader. Nice, okay. Where's the editor? Did it open? Oh, here it is. Alright, so this. So like, for their indicators, I can go in here. And as a programmer, like I know C#, which is what all of their stuff is written in. And I could find, I think FVG is probably fair value gap, but I'm not sure. I don't see any other like it was literally named fair value gap. But yeah, here's gap. You can see the math and all the stuff that they do in their indicators. So like, if I wanted to know how they were actually getting their gaps, I could read through this. It looks like they actually define an object called a gap that has an index of a bar, whether or not the gap is going up or down, and all of the ticks within that gap. And then every time the bar updates, or there's a bar update, it checks. I mean, I definitely would have to go more in depth on this, but I was just really curious about how they're doing it. But this is cool. I'm gonna have to like pull this apart. But you can actually, just in here, you can make your own indicator. If I wanted to just draw, like I could right click over here, hit new indicator, make a general one, my custom indicator. I'm gonna name it AAAA test indicator, so it shows up at the top. And we'll do on bar close. Every time the bar closes, maybe we'll do like some sort of moving average or whatever. But yeah, you can just hit generate, and it makes the actual framework for it. And then you just have to add some logic in here that takes a bar and its values, and then chooses to like draw or do whatever with it. I learned a lot of it by looking at their other things, but I did see like they have things like current bar. Well, I just had an issue because I didn't put like a semicolon or whatever. But they also have like volume or high and low. So like you can type in volume 0, and they keep it as like a series. Oh, you have ChatGPT. Nice. Okay, well then it might be able to do it with NinjaTrader, but I think you might actually run into some issues with NinjaTrader because, like, and it might not even be something you notice at first, but ChatGPT is looking at NinjaTrader's documentation that they have online, and the documentation that they have online is not all up to date, and some of it actually is wrong. I found that out trying to like figure this stuff out and trying to use some ChatGPT coding with it, and it couldn't figure it out. So I had to go through and actually read it all. But it does definitely help with like the overall architecture and skeleton, and it can get a lot of it right. But I was trying to go at it with, yeah, especially with NinjaTrader. Their documentation is kind of rough. But yeah, they do have a lot still. Like these series I was saying, it's just whatever bar number basically, 0 being the most recent, and then up to X, where X is the number of bars you have. You can access any of the bars' informations and do stuff with them. Alright, I saved this. What? Multiple open tabs. I don't know what that meant. I don't know what open tab I just closed. It's 11 o'clock. Look at how... Ugh. It's like... Dude, what is that? What is that? Is that going up? Is that going down? Are they going and switching, and then they're going to re-swap? The trend swap over here, which is where we see a reversal, but then they swap over again, so we should see another reversal. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not going to trade anymore today, like we had already said. I'm down a bit. I'm going to wait, see what happens, and hope that tomorrow is a better day. I'm going to grab a screenshot real quick. And I'm going to go post. Really quickly, really quickly. Where is it? This is it. Alrighty. I'm just writing a post real quick to document this. Oh shoot, dude, my sim account was at 20 mil for a sec. Let's see if I can get it to a bill. I was at -1 bill already, so the recovery is insane. Alrighty. Sorry, I was typing there. I didn't say anything for the past couple minutes. But yeah, okay, yeah, guys. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Hopefully your trades all end well today and continue into a nice spot tomorrow. I will catch you guys later. Yep. See you.